Every time I look at the stars, it almost feels like I have a place in the universe. It reminds me that like everything happens for a reason. I've always been interested in any sort of science. I think it was in about grade 3 or grade 4 we started learning about astronomy. That made me so deeply interested in finding out what else is out there. I'm studying philosophy and physics in University of Aberdeen in Scotland. I want to be an astrobiologist. That thought seemed like it was so almost impossible.
I do believe if she puts her mind on whatever it is she wants, I know she will achieve it.
Hi Anna, you and your mother are going to space.
Anna, we won! I know I am very young. There's so many other people like me wanting to do something involving space and don't think that they actually have the opportunity to do that. Virgin Galactic's mission is to expand this to civilians. Ideas are very powerful. We all need to get out of our comfort zone, to try new things, to believe in ourselves.